can see yourself?
Yeah.
See you do you flip fingers or something. What's up? Mambo.
Oh, you got a nini?
That's my baby mama. But we're not together. Come say hi to my friend. This guy loves your music. Oh, this is for video. So you can blow a kiss. What's up? Come.
Are you for real?
Yeah.
How are you?
What's up?
Nice to see you.
Nice to see you.
That's so weird.
It is.
You're talking to someone and there's like a camera like.
Oh, like this is video, so whatever you're saying, it's okay. Yeah?
No, so let me-
Kiss bandit, not shaking hands bandit. What the hell is this? Mambo. Kumbuka ukinizamia hapo ukinizushia kwa inbox wewe. I'm fine. Now that I'm
Recording.
yeah, this is video.
Oh my god. Hi.
I'm blow a kiss. Oh, you want me to kiss her?
No,
Making out or just on the cheek?
you kiss me at every supper.
I need to ask you something.
Yeah?
I saw a certain interview of you. Why was my t-shirt covered with a scarf?
You got this from the t-shirt.
I did.
What is your t-shirt?
Just when it was freezing the prince.
I'm sorry, what happened was...
No, I have a very short attention span. So once you start doing this, I mean...
So you
it's but I saw the interview, it was really nice. Yeah, video.
You can tackle your feet down, whatever you want. Just move your body. Do anything you want.
I always make fun of your hair.
So you know it's no, you're not my fan. I know you're not my fan. I know you're not my fan. But we can do this as a formality. We can just kiss like a formality. And you're always just telling me how my hair is not neat. That's why my hair is neat today.
Your hair looks so good. I'm actually going to apologize. Good to meet you in person.
No, nice to meet you in person because I really like your stuff. But you know, even though I know you don't like me, we can still do something together. Can we pose for a picture, me and you? You guys, I have you on video by there.
Let's get it started. Alright, here we go.
Hey.